Today I'm riding a trail in the state of Oregon known as Two Turntables and a Microwave. It is located in the Sandy Ridge mountain bike area just outside the town of Sandy, on the skirts of Mount Hood. It is a very fast and flowy trail littered with rough rock and minor technical features. I have not had many chances to ride this trail in the past, so I was essentially riding it blind. The trail is labeled on the map and trail forks as a single black diamond. However, after riding it at speed, and only have ridden it a couple of times quite a few years ago, I believe this trail is more accurately a blue square trail. It is extremely fast, but has very few corners and has a little bit of chunk to keep you on your toes. Hope you enjoyed Two Turntables and a Microwave. I'll have more trails from my road trip coming soon. In this video I am riding my 2023 Specialized Enduro S-Works, set up with a custom mixed wheel build. Thanks for watching Lions MTB Trail Tours. I hope you enjoyed another one of our amazing trails here in the Pacific Northwest. Please consider subscribing for even more trail tours coming in the near future.